Hello, I'm Jason Maxwell, the Managing Partner here at MOVABLE. Welcome to our first quarter report for the residential property market in 2026. Across Newcastle, Lake Macquarie and the Hunter, the residential property market remains stable. With the federal budget just around the corner, we're now seeing residential buyers and property sellers taking a more considered approach to see what they're going to do moving forward. It's exciting times here at MOVABLE with Louise Vico joining our team. Louise brings with her a solid track record of residential property sales along the eastern side of Lake Macquarie. It's my pleasure now to introduce you to Louise, who will talk about the first quarter sales results in Eleebana.
Hi, I'm Louise Vico. I've recently made the move to MOVABLE. Very excited to have joined a very dynamic team on Derby Street. I've been an agent for 18 years and my core area of business is Eastern Lake Macquarie. Today we're going to discuss the market in Eleebana over the past quarter of 2026. There's been a slight correction in the market of a minus 2.4% growth as opposed to 2025, which had a 9.4% growth. This has resulted in the median house price being $1,050,000 is now $1,025,000. According to REA, there has been 22 homes sold in Eleebana for the first quarter of 2026. The highest sale price is $3,750,000 for 50 Burton Road, Eleebana. The lowest sale price for Eleebana for 2026 is a vacant block of land of 558 metres squared. That sold for $650,000 and that's at 83 Jonathan Street, Eleebana. Currently there are 12 properties on the market for sale in Eleebana. As we move closer into Newcastle, we're seeing similar trends, particularly in the apartment market.
Hi, I'm Jesse Maxwell from MOVABLE, discussing the Q1 market update for the inner city Newcastle apartments. According to Domain, the median one-bedroom apartment sale price is $675,000 for 2026 at a growth rate at 6.7%. This is up from 5.9% in 2025. The median two-bedroom apartment sale price is now $1,008,000. This is down 0.6% from 2025, where they experienced a growth rate at 5.3%. The three-bedroom apartment median sale price is now $2.27 million. This is a 3.2% growth rate in 2026, after they experienced 24.2% growth in 2025. For Q1 in 2026, there have been 22 one-bedroom apartment sales. Now, there are currently 21 one-bedroom apartments listed across Newcastle. What we're finding at the moment is that the one-bedroom apartment buyer is often a first home purchaser that wants the inner city lifestyle, or possibly an investor looking for something that generates a strong yield. Now, across Q1 for 2026 in the two-bedroom apartment sector, there have been 40 sales during that period, and there are currently 44 apartments on the market. Now, what we're most commonly finding with a two-bedroom apartment purchaser in Newcastle at the moment is they're often from regional New South Wales looking to purchase a property to move into in a couple of years' time, or they're a downsizer moving from a little bit further outside of the city. Now, across the three-bedroom apartment market sector in Q1 of 2026, there has been 15 apartment sales, and there are currently 25 three-bedroom apartments on the market. And the buyer profile that we're finding with three-bedroom apartment sales at the moment is often a larger family looking to enjoy the inner city lifestyle, but need that little bit extra space. Now, what we've found as a common theme across both the 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartment sector at the moment is that there is similar stock which has been sold in Q1 to what is available at this current point in time. Now, what that means is that there's almost 3 months worth of stock available at this current point. What this means is that buyers in the current marketplace are taking a little bit longer due to the luxury of choice to evaluate their options. Another common trait which we've identified with buyers in the marketplace at the moment is their keen eye for presentation and a finished product. This means the preparation process prior to listing your apartment is crucial in terms of maximising your end result.
I'm Jess Molan and I specialise in Stockton and surrounding suburbs. So far in 2026, there has been a 7% growth in house prices in Stockton compared to 17.4% the previous year. In Stockton, the median house price has risen $85,000 and now sits at $1.3 million. According to realestate.com, there has been 15 properties sell in Stockton in the first quarter of 2026. There are currently 21 properties available on the market in Stockton. I'm currently finding that in Stockton, well-priced properties are still extremely well received in Stockton by buyers, especially properties that are suiting a young family.
So across all markets, the common theme is clear. Buyers are more considered and strategy matters more than ever. At MOVABLE, we take a two-stage marketing approach to listing and selling every property. If you're considering your next move, the team here at MOVABLE would be happy to help.